The tree is glowing, the lights are twinkling, and the scent of pine fills the air. But it's the ornaments that tell the story. Each one holds a memory, a touch of personality, and a bit of sparkle that makes your tree uniquely yours. From handmade treasures and personalized keepsakes to modern metallics and vintage-inspired designs, the right ornaments transform your tree into a masterpiece. Whether you're crafting your own or curating a collection, these Christmas ornament ideas will inspire you to decorate with heart, creativity, and timeless holiday charm. So grab your hot cocoa, gather your craft supplies, and let's make your Christmas tree shimmer with memories and magic. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where we bring creativity and warmth to every corner of your home. In today's video, we're exploring Christmas ornament ideas, from easy DIY crafts to the latest 2025 trends. Whether you love handmade classics, personalized keepsakes, or unique modern designs, we've got inspiration to make your tree unforgettable. What makes Christmas ornaments so special? Ornaments aren't just decor, they're memories. Each one can represent a moment, a person, or a tradition. Decorating with them turns your tree into a living scrapbook of joy and nostalgia. What are some easy DIY Christmas ornament ideas? Use clear baubles filled with glitter, faux snow, or family photos. Paint wooden discs, tie fabric scraps into mini wreaths, or use cinnamon sticks for rustic, cozy touches. If you love simple holiday crafts, like this video and share it with your festive friends. What are some fun homemade Christmas ornament ideas for families? Make salt dough ornaments with your kids, or paint handprints on wooden rounds. Add names, dates, and doodles. These handmade keepsakes become priceless over the years. How can I make personalized Christmas ornaments? Add names or initials using vinyl stickers, or attach tiny printed photos inside clear baubles. You can even customize ornaments with family monograms or handwritten messages for a personal touch. Would you rather hang personalized ornaments or classic designs? Tell us in the comments. What are some trending Christmas ornament styles for 2025? This year, expect to see sustainable materials, muted metallics, and nature-inspired textures. Think linen ribbons, wooden beads, dried oranges, and subtle shimmer, a blend of modern minimalism and cozy nostalgia. What are unique Christmas tree ornament ideas? Try small bird cages, glass terrariums, or mini lanterns. Combine textures, wood, glass, and metal for a designer look. You can even hang little quotes or love notes for a personal twist. Check out our DIY Christmas craft playlist linked below. It's packed with creative projects you'll love. How can I use vintage ornaments in my decor? Mix antique glass baubles, mercury glass pieces, and lace accents with modern lights. Vintage ornaments add charm and depth, telling a story of timeless elegance. How can I make affordable but beautiful ornaments? Use paper, twine, and natural materials like pinecones or acorns. Add a little glitter or metallic paint for sparkle. Budget-friendly ornaments can look luxurious with the right textures and finishes. Love elegant ideas that don't break the bank? Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday inspiration. What are modern ornament trends for minimalist decor? Neutral palettes, white, beige, and soft metallics are in. Simple geometric shapes, ceramic finishes, and monochrome ribbon details create a clean, elegant look that feels fresh and refined. How can I display ornaments beyond the tree? Hang them from window garlands, chandeliers, or even cabinet knobs. Cluster ornaments in glass bowls or vases as table centerpieces for a festive, layered look. Want more creative display ideas? Watch our holiday centerpiece and garland decor video, linked in the description. How can I make custom photo Christmas ornaments? Print mini pictures and place them inside clear baubles or photo frames. Add glitter or faux snow around the edges. It's a beautiful way to showcase memories from past holidays. What are cute Christmas ornament ideas for kids? Use felt, pom-poms, and googly eyes to make mini snowmen, Santas, or reindeer. It's a fun family project that encourages creativity and creates lasting memories. How can I store and protect ornaments after Christmas? Use compartmentalized boxes or egg cartons for fragile ornaments. Wrap delicate pieces in tissue or bubble wrap. Label each box by color or theme for easy setup next year. What are elegant ornament color combinations for 2025? Try champagne and blush pink, navy and gold, or emerald and ivory. These refined pairings balance modern elegance with cozy holiday warmth. How can I mix DIY and store-bought ornaments for a balanced look? Use store-bought pieces as your foundation, then sprinkle in handmade ornaments for character. The contrast between polished and personal makes your tree truly shine. Every ornament tells a story, some handmade, some collected, all meaningful. Whether you're crafting new memories, following the latest 2025 ornament trends, or preserving family traditions, your Christmas tree becomes a reflection of joy, love, and creativity. This year, don't just decorate your tree. Fill it with heart, sparkle, and stories that last a lifetime. Loved these Christmas ornament ideas? Tap like and share this video to spread the holiday magic. What's your favorite style? DIY handmade, personalized, or modern minimalist? Let us know below. Explore our holiday craft and ornament playlist for more DIY inspiration. Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly seasonal decorating and crafting ideas. Watch our latest uploads on tree toppers, garlands, and cozy Christmas decor. Linked below.